video for you guys today. I am going to be making a little snacky snack. Okay, some air fried chicken, some air fried wings, and some rice in the rice maker. Now, it's a little late, but it's okay, right? So you guys, I'm not gonna lie, this is my third attempt trying to make rice in this rice maker. I haven't had one before, so I'm just trying to get adjusted. This time I put a little seasoning in it. So hopefully it turns out good, because I tried to do something a little different. Now for my chicken, my air fried chicken, I'm super excited for this. You guys, let's go ahead and season the chicken. I have a little secret ingredients that I'm going to put on the chicken. I'm not gonna lie, I actually have not tried this trick before. I have not used Slap Your Mama seasoning salt just yet. So this is new for me as well. And I'm so excited, y'all. Okay. Slap your mama sauce, huh? I'm just now realizing that this chicken, this little snacky snack, might end up kind of spicy. It's okay. Oh, sorry, that was garlic powder. This is curry powder. Curry powder. Hopefully that's better. Okay, so let's see if we mix it up like this. Does it look well distributed? Or do we need to season it on the opposite side? Honestly, this is enough for me, because I know that hot sauce is gonna add flavor on top of
A few moments later.
You want your wings fried a little bit, air fried, but fried, make sure to add some flour to it a little bit. Now for me, I actually don't want it too fried, so I'm just adding a little. I want it just a little crispy, just a little. You guys can call me boring or whatever, but I don't need that much. Okay. Don't forget to spray. I'm going to preheat this to 350 degrees. I already did, I'm not even gonna lie, but I'm gonna do it again. Spray that so it won't stick. And then honestly, I'm probably just gonna throw it in there. Throw them in there. Alrighty. So I'm going to give the chicken about 15 minutes and see how it's doing after 15 minutes. And then we'll be right back.